This guide will help you understand how to request payouts on WhatsApp in a straightforward manner. Follow these steps to ensure a smooth process. Step 1. Open WhatsApp. Launch the WhatsApp application on your device and log into your account if you haven't already. Step 2. Navigate to the chat. Find and open the chat with the person or business from whom you want to request a payout. This could be a friend, family member, or a service provider. Step 3. Use the payment feature. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 4. Enter the amount. Input the amount you wish to request. Make sure to double check the figure to avoid any mistakes. You may also include a note or reason for the payout if prompted. Step 5. Send a request. Once you've entered the amount and any additional information, hit the send button to submit your payout request. Wait for the recipient to respond and confirm the transaction. Thank you for following this guide. You should now be able to request payouts on WhatsApp with ease.